Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Kipling knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is named after the author, Kipling. So let's go ahead and get started. Left side is going to be at my belt line. I'm going to come over here, put my dimple in, come over the center. I'm going to come up and over like this, and we're going to leave it, put it down like that. Come over the top. And then fold it in half. And I'm just going to put it through here. So there we have it. So it can look like that right there. I'm just going to come around like this, leave it folded in half, then come all the way around underneath there like so. Then we're going to come through the back like this, up and over. And then come around, and then we're going to come up here like this. So again, there's your knot. So again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Check out Stylist Leadership. We have some great content over there. Hit the bell notification so you get more notifications. Hit the bell so you get more notifications when we do more videos. So again, on your assignment, friends, with your favorite ones we made. We'll see you in the next video.